Hi guys, I hope you're good since last video. So I've been using CrewAI to make agents use LLM do retrievals, but I get some bugs happening several times with one module. So here I'm going to show you in this video if you get the same bug with telemetry, because this should be disabled or enabled only if you want it. So I'm going to show you how to disable it. Two different ways. But before that, I'm going to talk about Chicara Houses, this website sponsoring our video. So you can here show different products in your social media and get rewarded, which is interesting. And also you can have access to the different AI tools if you have access to the GPT store of OpenAI. So get your social media community know about Chicara Houses collections and get rewarded. So it's on the non-affiliate products that you like, and your followers, you just show it and they'll be able to purchase, and you get a percentage of it. It's a third party taking care of that, and they also have the GPTs available. You just tap Chicara into the GPT store and you get access to all those GPTs. Right, so disable telemetry module. So you need to go in your virtual environment, find the libraries, Python 3, the site packages, and you try to find the folders where CrewAI is installed. See those 4 folders. We're going to use the main one, which is CrewAI. And here there is different folders and different files. You go into the telemetry folder and you open the telemetry.py. And what you're going to do, you're just going to comment out the whole file. This is one way to do it. You can comment out the whole file. You can get rid of the file if you want to. But this is using OpenTelemetry to trace your LLM interactions. This is to help the developers understand, but I believe that it should be the user should have the ability to activate it or not if you want to send his interactions or details to help the developers. So what you can do, you can try to find the telemetry.py and comment out the whole file. There are prompts in, there are docstrings. So that's the docstring that you see here are not commented out, but it's alright, it's gonna work. You just put your document comments at the top like this, and those ones are the docstrings. It's alright, it's not gonna show any error. The thing is to get rid of the error so you don't get any trouble with your agent workflow. So this is very short break. Please like and subscribe, and disable telemetry, commenting it out. So you can go in the crew.py, this file, and you look for telemetry. Looking for telemetry here, I got 8 lines that I'm going to comment out. So the first line is the one for the imported the telemetry module. So you can comment this out. And the other lines are the lines tracing the activity. So those 3 lines here in the set private attributes, you just use Ctrl F to find it. And here in the kickoff function, there's another one here in the finish execution. So those are the 8 lines that you need to comment out. Commenting out those lines will also deactivate the telemetry. So at this time you will be able to run your agent more smoothly and not get this error coming and getting the workflow for nothing. And maybe you not agree with the telemetry, with the data sent. So yeah, this was the short video about telemetry on how to deactivate it, to have a smooth workflow with your agent, so it's not your prompt the problem. If you look at the error, you will see that it's coming from this module. I hope that you like this video and see you next time.